Hi, my name is William. I'm going to 10th grade at Regis High School in New York City, and today I finished my second milestone, which was to create and finish coding the whole entire project. I have two full circuits here. I have the Arduino circuit and the circuit in the back here called the relay circuit. The Arduino circuit has one LCD and three different sensors in it. The LCD will be displaying the information that the sensors output into the Arduino. The first sensor is a homemade water level sensor. This sensor is basically just two poles, positive and negative, that aren't connected in any way. So when it touches water or a common object, it closes the circuit and produces an analog input to the Arduino. But the better the conductivity, the higher the output. So in the case of water, the more water there will be, the higher the output to the Arduino. My second sensor is the water soil moisture sensor, which is the same as works that way as that one, except it's optimized for soil. My last sensor is a humidity and temperature sensor, also called the DHT11 sensor. This sensor measures humidity by using a moisture-wicking substance in between two electrodes on a microscopic scale. And when it's humid, water will accumulate in this wicking substance, and it will increase conductivity between the two electrodes, changing the output to the Arduino. The temperature sensor works using a thermal resistor or thermistor, in which the higher the temperature, the lower the resistance, and they'll change the output into the Arduino. The LCD will display the information, as I once already said, and then the next circuit will be the relay circuit, which is in the back here. The relay circuit consists of the relay, which acts as a switch, the motor, and the batteries in the back here. The relay is controlled by the Arduino, and acts as a switch to complete the circuit between the motor and the batteries. So when the Arduino powers the relay, it'll close the circuit, and the batteries will power the motor, and the motor will pump the water from the water tank to the plant here, thus watering it. One of the problems I encountered with this design was that I had a lot of wires and they're really disorganized, all on this perf board, and a lot of times they'd break off, and I had to find a way to keep them on and to keep them organized without them falling off and being damaged anymore. And I just basically reworked my whole design and figured that out. And one of my next steps is to hook up a Raspberry Pi and to make a live graphing chart on a server hosted by the Raspberry Pi, local to the Wi-Fi.